Next in CSS, we are going to create a navigation bar of CSS. So this is our navigation bar of CSS. So we'll be putting all these elements, that means this logo, this image, this text box, in a single div, and that div will be holding children div. First child div will be holding this image, second child div will be holding this text box and this image, third child div will be holding this button, fourth will be holding this, fifth and the sixth will be holding these dots. So to create this is our basic HTML code, and here within head section I'm giving a style tag, and within this style tag, first of all we are removing all the margins and padding. Margin is 0, padding is 0, and here we are giving box sizing to border box. After doing this, in body section we are creating one div to which we are assigning a class nav. This is the main div which will be holding all the children div. And in this, first we have to put this image. So for that, here I am creating one more div, class equals to, here I am giving it a name navc1, child 1. This is our first div which will be holding that logo of Flipkart. Now here we have created two classes, nav and nav's child 1. So for here we'll be creating nav first of all, dot nav. Nav is that horizontal bar. So here we want that its width should be 100%. Height, I want it height to be 60 pixel. We can see that its background color is white. So here we are giving background color white, background color, and it's white. Now we want that, here we can see that all the contents are in same row. So what we have to do here is we have to give display property to flex. All the contents which will give one by one will start coming in same row. So display flex. Now we want that there should be equal spacing between these content. Means that this content should be at equal distance from this, then this content should be at some distance from this. We want to give even spacing. So for that, justify content to space evenly. And next thing, we want that all the content should be in center. So for that, here we'll be giving align items to be in center. Save. Here we are giving it a border. Later on we will remove it. Border to 1 pixel, solid black. Save. Now go live. It will show us that navigation bar. So this is our navigation bar. We are going to put all these elements in this navigation bar, and our first element is our image, that is the logo of Flipkart. So here, now we have made second class. Name of that class is navc1. We have to put dot here to make it a class. Now here we have created this class in body section. Now we have to put here image, and that image is also hyperlink. You can see that it's an hyperlink. So to create a hyperlink a href equals to, it is not going to target any page, it is a dummy link. Now here within this we have to give img src. Here we have to give the source of image. My image is in same folder and its name is flipkart1.png. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. So this is our image which is too big, so we have to give its width and height. So here I'm giving style equals to, here I'm setting its width to 100 pixel. If I'm setting width, it will set its height accordingly. So this is our image. It has come in the center because we have given justify content to space evenly. As we keep on putting item, this Flipkart logo will continue to shift left side. Next thing, we can see that this image is little more close to top border. So here what we can do, here in its class, that is nav child1, we are going to give display property to flex, justify content to center, and align items to center. This is going to put that item vertically in center. Save it, and it has come a little down. Next we have to put this image, and we can find this image in font awesome, and to use font awesome we have to use cdnj's library. So this is our cdnj's library, and here we have to copy this code and paste it in our head section outside style tag. And now we can use font awesome. So we have to put that magnifying glass. First of all, we have to create div. So here I'm creating one more div. Outside that navc1, I'm creating one more div that whose name is div navc2. This is my second div inside main div, that is nav. And in this div we have to give that image, that input box, both. So here we have created, assigned our navc2 to div. So we'll be declaring it here dot navc2. And here first of all we have to give that image and that icon of magnifying glass, and that icon is in the form of hyperlink. So here first of all, here we are going to give a href equals to, within double quotes put hash, because we are not, because it's a dummy link, and within this we are going to give that image, that icon from font awesome. So for that, here we have to go to font awesome, and here we are searching for magnifying glass. So here we are using this one. Copy a code and paste it in between anchor tag. Save, and go live. So this is our icon. Now we need to increase its size. So here in head section within style tag, We are creating one ID selector, hash img2 is its name, and here we want that icon size should be a little big, so for that we have to give font size, and here I'm giving it 22 pixels. Background color, right now we are giving it transparent. Let's see its background color first. Oh, background color should be different. Shouldn't be transparent here. It should be hash f0 f5 ff. Save, and it has got a background color. It hasn't got because we haven't assigned that ID selector to our class. So we'll do it later. Here I'm giving it a width of 40 pixel. Height is also I'm giving 40 pixel, and here we have to assign this img to this class, and not here, it should be here. So here we have given id, we have to give id equals to name of that ig is img2 within double quotes. Save, and we can check and go live. We can see that it has got the width of 40 pixel by 40 pixel. Now we have to bring this magnifying glass in the center. So here we have to give margin and padding. So here I'm giving padding of 5 pixel, and we can give top margin as well. Margin top here I'm giving is 5 pixel. Save. Increase it even more. I'm giving it 10 pixel. Fine. Next we can see that it is has got a border radius, means top left radius and bottom left radius we have to give. So here within this img we have to give border one, top left radius, and here I'm giving is 4 pixel, and border bottom left radius to be 4 pixel. Save. So it has got a little curvy effect here. Now we have to give input box. So to give input box here, and body section, after this magnifying glass we have to give input type equals to text. Here inside it we have to put placeholder. So this is our placeholder. Search for brands, search for products, brands and more. So here we have to give placeholder equals to, and within double quotes, search for products, brands and more. So this is a placeholder. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. So this is our text box. Now we have to give it a width and height. So here in head section, within this style tag, first of all, we have to give here input, and here we want that its width to be 400 pixel, height we are giving is 40 pixel, and save it, and it is looking like this. It has got a width of 400 pixel and height of 40 pixel. Now we want to put it in center. Okay, we'll do it later. First of all, we can give it padding and before giving padding and margin, first of all here we'll give this display property to flex, and this child to nav c child to display to flex, justify content to center, and align items to center. This is going to bring this align items to center is going to bring that content vertically in center. Save, and so we need to give padding as well as margin to it. So here we can give padding. Here I'm giving padding of 2 pixel, and margin top to 5 pixel. Save. Now we have to increase the font size of this text inside text box, that is this placeholder text. So here we are giving font size to be 15 pixels. Save. So its font size has increased. Now we need to remove its border. So we have to give border to 0. Save. The border is gone. Now here we can see that in this side, this top right corner and bottom right corner are little curvy. So here we'll be giving border radius, top right radius, and here I'm giving it 4 pixel. Similarly, bottom right radius to be 4 pixel. Save. Now these borders are little curvy. Now we have to remove this outline as well, because whenever we are clicking inside this text box, it is not showing us any outline. So here we have to give outline to 0. Save, and go live. So this outline is gone. Now we have to give background color to this text box. So color will be same as this. So here we have to give background color, and the name of color is hash F0 F5 FF. Save, and it has got a background color. Here we can see that it is going a little zigzag. That means this magnifying glass box is coming little down and it is going little up. So here we can do is, here I'm removing from input. I'm removing top margin of 5 pixel, and from this image to I'm removing top margin of 10 pixel. save, and so they are in a proper line. Next thing we can notice here is that magnifying glass color is blue because of hyperlink. So here we have to set its color. So here I'm giving it a color black. Save. Now it's black in color. Next here we have to give this button. So here in body section, when this div class navc2 ends, after that div we have to create one more div, and we have to assign class navc, and this is going to be third child of this nav div, and within this div we have to create button. So for that, button type equals to the button, and it's in the form of link, like here when we move cursor it's in the form of link. So we have to give hyperlink, create hyperlink, ahref equals to, it's a dummy link, so we have to put hash here. Now we have to give that icon, user icon from font awesome library. So this is our font awesome, and here we have to choose user icon, and to select this code, and paste it within this anchor. Save, and right now it is looking like this. So we have got this user icon here. Now it's blue in color because of that hyperlink we have given. So here we have to put within ahref, we have to give style equals to text decoration to none, and here we are giving color to it as black. Color is black. Save, and refresh. So it has got a black color. Next thing we have to put here is this text, that is login. So here after this font awesome icon ends, we have to give login, and then we have to close button and anchor tag. Save, and so it's our button. Now we have to set its width and height in head section. So we'll go to head section, and first of all we'll be creating that class, that is dot navc 3. We'll check it, navc3. Okay, now after this class I'm creating button. So here I'm giving button, and here I want that its width should be 120 pixel, height should be 40 pixel. Now it's this button is also a little curvy from its corner, so we have to give border radius. So border radius, and here I'm giving it 5 pixel. Then font size of that logging text, font size, and here we are writing 15 pixel for the text. Save it, and refresh. So it's our button. Here we can see that its background color is transparent, and when we hover over it, its background color is changing to blue color. So here we are giving background color background color to be transparent. So its previous background color is gone. Now we have to remove its border also. So here border to 0, save. Now border is gone. Next we are giving it a padding. So padding here I'm giving is 5 pixel. One thing we can here notice that there is a little space in between this icon and this login test. So what we have to do here is, here where we have given that icon, that is that user icon, we have to give style, and here we have to give margin towards right side. From this icon, this text is at its right. So here we are giving margin right, and here I'm giving it 5 pixel. Save, and so it has got a little margin. We can increase it even. I'm giving it 10 pixel. Okay, first of all, I'll try with 15 pixels, and so it has got enough the space in between this text and this icon. Now this login text is little small, so we can increase its font size. So from here, from 15 to 20, I'm giving 20 pixel its font size. This font size has increased. Next, we want that whenever we are hovering over this button, its background color should change and its text color should change to white from black. So here, button, hover, and here we have to give background color, and our color is 2874 F0. Save, and refresh. We haven't given hash here. Hash. Save, and then refresh. So it's showing us background color. But this text color is still white. So here we have to give color of text to be white. For that color to be white. Refresh, and next we have to create this thing. We have created this. Now we have to create this card, and we have to put this text. So we can see that card here, it is also in the form of hyperlink. So to create this, first of all, here we have to create one more div. After navc3 div finishes, we have to create one more div. Class equals to name of that class is navc4, and within this class, here we can see that this icon is in the form of link. So here we have to give hyperlink a href equals to, within double quotes, hash text decoration or style equals to text decoration to none, and the color of text should be black. And here within this anchor tag, I'm going to give icon from font awesome, and name of that icon is cart. So cart, here we are going to use the first one, copy its code, and paste it within anchor tag, save it, and right now our cart is looking like this. So this is our cart. Now we have to increase its size. So here in head section we are creating one more ID selector, and and before that we are going to create that NAVC, and name of that class is NAVC4. Right now we are not putting anything in this class, and after that I'm creating one more ID selector, hash img4, and here I'm giving font size to be 25 pixel, and okay, first we'll see if it is okay, otherwise we'll give margin as well. Save, and here we have to assign this ID selector. So here we have to put ID equals to img4 within double quotes. Save, and so it has increased its size. Next thing we have to give is this text. So here after this, within the same div, after this anchor tag finishes, this is our text, and so it has got a text. Next thing we have to put here is this store icon and this text. So for that we are creating one more div. Within that main div, that is nav div class equals to, within double quotes, navc5. This is the name of that class, and here it is also in the form of link, so we have to make it a hyperlink. A href equals to, within double quotes, hash style equals to text decoration to none, and color of text should be uh, black. Save, and after this we have to select that store icon from font also. So here store, and from all these icons I'm going to select this one, copy this code, paste it within anchor tag, save, and here we have got our store icon, but it's small in size, we have to increase its size. So for that, here I'm creating one more ID selector, img4, and before that we will declare that class here, that is navc5, and this is our ID selector, hash img5, and here we are giving font size of 25 pixel. Save, and now we have to assign this ID selector. So here we have to put ID equals to, within double quotes, name is img5. Save, and refresh. The size has increased. Now we have to put the text, and the text has become a seller. So here after this our text comes become a seller. Save it, and so we have got our text here. Now we have to put those three dots. So for that I'm creating one more div, equals to name of that is there is nav child 6, and within this div, again these dots are in the form of hyperlink. They are in the form of link. So here we have to give a href equals to, within double quotes we are putting hash, then style equals to text decoration to none, and color of text to be black. And within this anchor tag we have to give that icon. So here I'm searching for three dots, and we'll copy the code of this icon and paste it within anchor tag. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. So we have got three dots. Now we have to increase its size. So here I'm assigning a class, sorry, ID. We'll be creating this ID selector after this. Name of that ID selector is img6, and here in head section I'm creating this. So hash img6, and here I'm giving font size of 25 pixel. Save, and right now it is looking like this. Now we have to remove this boundary. So here we have given in nav class we have given border 1 pixel solid black. We'll remove that border. Save it. So this is our navigation bar of Flipkart site. In next video we are going to create this category bar.